Nothing for us as teachers without our voices in the majority. That's the warning from incoming Jamaica Teachers Association President LaSonia Harrison as the association marks 62 years of advocacy. She says for too long, educators have been left out of decisions that directly impact them.
Against the backdrop of celebration, there was a firm call to action from incoming President LaSonia Harrison. The message, representation. Ms. Harrison stressed that the JTA will continue to push back against policies that exclude educators.
We continue to say nothing for us as teachers without our voices in the majority. The same is true for all other bodies licensing other professionals. Why does there remain scant regard for us as teachers? Everybody wants to tell teachers how to teach. How can non-teachers establish professional standards for teachers? The Jamaica Teachers Association will not have it.
But beyond having a voice in the decision-making process, the long-standing issue of proper compensation for the nation's educators was again brought to the fore.
We will unapologetically, vociferously continue to lobby for the improved salaries and conditions of service of our members. That's what we were elected to do, and that's what we are paid to do.
Several schools out west are still reeling from the effects of Hurricane Melissa, and now hundreds of students have been displaced. In some cases, teachers are struggling due to the environment and limited resources.
Our current working conditions of schools in the West currently are disturbing to say the least, though work has begun, but at what pace? Salaries in particular, that of the classroom teacher, along with anomalies of supervisees on par or exceed that of supervisors, to which the matter of rebanding will solve.